It's an ideology with a wide reach and a controversial past. It inspires movements and has been associated with violence. So what is Wahhabism? Wahhabism is named after its founder, 18th century theologian Muhammad bin Abdul Wahhab. He was born in 1703 in the city of Al-Uyayna to a family of clerics in a region of Arabia called Najd, about 70 kilometers northwest of Riyadh, the capital of modern-day Saudi Arabia. He founded the Wahhabi doctrine around 11 centuries after the advent of Islam, and was inspired by the well-known 13th century theologian Ibn Taymiyyah. With his movement, Abdul Wahhab said he wanted to bring Muslims back to what he felt were the basics of Islam, because according to him, they had deviated away from the pure religion. In Abdul Wahhab's most famous book, Kitab al-Tawheed, or the Book of the Oneness of God, he emphasizes that any misplaced reverence is an assault on God's unity itself. Much of the book warns against anything that he felt could be perceived as shirk, or ascribing partners to God, including some practices that remain part of the cultural fabric of Islamic spirituality, such as intercession, devotion at graves, and drawing pictures or images.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ومن شاكك الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصليه جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاكك الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاكك الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاكك الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ويتبع غير سبيل المؤمنين نوله ما تولى ونصله جهنم وساءت مصيرا من يشاقق الرسول ومن يشاقق الرسول من بعد ما تبين له الهدى ẹni ó ó bá ṣe pa òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run Ànábì wa Muhammad
sallallahu alayhi wa sallam
tó ya ọ̀nà tiẹ̀ lọ́tọ̀